Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to auto forward in your Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to auto forward any mail in Yahoo Mail, all you need to do first is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. Once you open it, all you gotta do now is simply tap on the settings option, and from there you need to tap on the more settings. After you tap on more settings, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to tap on the mailboxes, which is on the left hand side of the corner. Once you tap on mailboxes, you can find your primary email address. Simply tap on your primary email address, then at the end of the screen you can get the auto forwarding section. So now you have to know that to auto forward any kind of mail in Yahoo Mail, you need to upgrade your Yahoo Mail to Yahoo Mail Plus. Simply tap on the upgrade section and you will end up in this kind of external web browser where you can simply subscribe for your Yahoo Mail Plus to be able to enjoy the feature of auto forwarding. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.